Hello everyone. This session will explain how to set up the X100 Pro IP board card. Enter the IP address of X100 Pro, access the settings interface via the web, and input the initial account and password for X100 Pro as 13456. After entering, click Login to access the settings interface of X100 Pro. Click on the device view to select the IP board card network port. On the right side, a 4K decoding card setting will pop up. You can choose whether to enable the splicing mode. After enabling it, you can splice multiple IPCs into one display. Click to enable. Click the Save button below to apply the splicing mode feature. After the settings are successful, click the Canvas View button in the top left corner. Select IPC to configure the 4K decoding card, then click on Configuration Management. Create a configuration file. Click on Layout to select a preset window or customize a window in the bottom right corner. Once you've confirmed the number of screens needed, simply click on the corresponding screen layout to apply it. Based on your needs, drag the IPC signal sources from the left to the layout on the right to arrange them. After completing the setup, close the Configuration Management interface. Drag the 4IP decoding card configuration to the display window on the right. The screen displays the images and sequence as per the splicing mode you just configured. If you want to disable the splicing mode, open the Device Management interface. Click the Disable button below the splicing screen, then click Save to close the splicing mode. The IP board supports backup mode, allowing you to select either standalone mode or backup mode in the working mode. You can configure the IP address in the IP settings interface. There are two ways to set it. The first is to manually configure the IP board address, and the second is to automatically obtain the IP address. Choose the IP address configuration method based on the actual conditions at the project site. After setting the IP address, click Save to complete. Once a success message appears, the IP board setup is complete. Click on Canvas View and select IPC. Click the gear icon next to the signal source to enter the Camera IPC Management interface. Click the red Delete button to remove an added camera. Select Online Devices and click the Search button to find surveillance devices on the same LAN. Check the cameras you want to add, then click the Add button at the top. Enter the camera's username and password. After entering the password, click Confirm. Once the system confirms successful import, close this page. You will see that Camera 5, which was just added through the search, appears on the list. Click the Edit button next to Camera 5. Rename it according to the project requirements. After renaming, click Confirm. You will see the name has been changed to Exhibition Hall Center. You can drag the device named Exhibition Hall Center from the signal source window as needed. Next, we will demonstrate how to add a device using the camera IP address. First, delete the previously added device. Click the Add button in the top right corner. Select the protocol corresponding to the camera. Enter the camera name based on project needs. Enter the camera's username and password. For multiple cameras, you can choose to add them in bulk. If you only need to add one camera, just enter the camera's IP address and port number. After inputting, click Add. You will see that the newly added camera is online, indicating successful addition. This concludes the IP board setup tutorial. Thank you, everyone.